Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. This is Rolling with Said. You are rolling with me, Said. Hey, the temperature has dropped and I know I just wait. You guys like, you guys comment, you guys share, you subscribe, and you see what's in the back. You see what's back there and in the front. It's that time again. I got to take these wheels off and put these wheels on because it done got cold. It done got cold out here. It finally got cold. And yesterday, on the way to work, y'all know I put these 22s on the Acura. So yesterday when I got to work, when I was on the way to work, your boy got a flat tire. So with that being said, yeah, it's all right to look good and be, you know, riding around here, riding on 22s and all that, but this ain't the weather for it. So with that being said, I ain't gonna be around here stressing about no damn tires. And if my tire is gonna go flat or none of that, because I got work to do, I got money to make, I got things to do. So with that being said, your boy is not gonna be riding around on 22s in the wintertime. I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna put these on. Yeah. Those. Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. But I'm gonna take you guys on the process. I'm actually going right now to get these taken off and get those putting on. And then on top of that, I gotta buy another tire for the tires that I'm taking off, because the one that was flat yesterday, evidently I ran over some big ass nail, and it sliced like the side of the inside tire, like the side. So there's no repairing that. You have to buy another tire. So I might do that today if they have the tire, or I might just wait until before I put the tires back on in the springtime. But you guys come with me on this journey. You guys ride with me. You guys roll with me, because that's what we do. Y'all roll with me and I roll with you, and we roll together. So I'll be back in a few minutes and let y'all see the process of all that's going on. But in the meantime, talk to you later. Washed the car. That wasn't in the plan. I wasn't planning to do that, but I changed the wheels and I have the other wheels on now. I also want to give a shout out to two people, two guys that I work with at Food Line that helped me out. You guys know who you are. I appreciate you. Thank you. One of the guys gave me the lights that go in the door that says Acura. He gave me a set of, for the front and the back doors, he gave it to me for free. I was like, what? It must be my lucky day. I was having a rough day yesterday. The tire messed up. It wasn't a rough day. It was just things were happening yesterday. And those two things, they helped me out. Like, actually 3 people helped me out. One person went and got, I wanted to get a jack. It was an easy, you know, the jack that pumps up versus the one that comes with the car. I wanted to get the jack so I could hurry up and, jack the car up. So he went and got that for me. Appreciate you. Appreciate all three of you guys. Thank you so much. Said he's appreciative. You know what I'm saying? So anytime y'all need me, I'm here for you. You know what I'm saying? So thank you. So I'm gonna show you the car after I washed it and all that, and we'll just go from there because I got things to do. I'm running errands today or whatever, and I'm just handling all that business. So you guys stay tuned, and I will be back in a few. 2, 1, 0. Bow! So guys, I decided to do something different. I wanted to get my front windshield tinted on the car. So that's where I'm at. I'm at the tint shop. See? And the car is in the back, and it's getting the front windshield tinted. So that's what I'm doing now. I was supposed to do it a time ago, and I just said I'll just do it today. I'm running errands anyway, so why not? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, welcome back. That's the end of the video, and that's it. I know the video was all over the place. I want you guys to have a happy holiday. Eat enough turkey, cook enough turkey, eat enough dressing, eat enough stuffing, and have a great week and a great year. See, I'm on the way to work. I gotta go, you know what I'm saying, make that shmoney. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Write down in the comments what you guys think about the car and everything, and whatever I had in this video, what you think about it, and let's go from there. But you guys enjoy yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Until the next time, 1, 2, 3, peace.